Everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV. I want to show you this brand new Forest River Georgetown 369. Beautiful unit, one of our luxury Class A's. Gas. The cool thing about this, you actually have a plug down here. If you work on the road or get on your computer, have a little plug to plug into your computer. Nice solid surface countertops. Beautiful gas stove. Got our oven here. Really just a lot of great upgrades. Full residential refrigerator. We have 2 bathrooms here. One for your guests. Have our bedroom. Lots of beautiful cabinetry. Some light in here. Alright, dual sink, his and hers, got a toilet here, 2 mirrors. Gotta see this cabinetry, nice, and all the finishes are beautiful. Alright, of course we have the bed that comes down here. Comes with slide toppers. If you have any questions about this Georgetown or would like to take it for a test drive, be sure and give us a call at the number above. We'd be more than glad to answer any questions for you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.